Hi guys, welcome back on my channel. And if you have problem like me to work with hard light, it's mean you don't use any modificator light but you use only studio light, and you have problem to achieve so beautiful photo with hard light, I show you today how to make the photo with two lights. Will be use two lights. That is the for me more easy achieve good shadows, beautiful hard light. Let's go. First things what we will be do today is photography the product. We need some things to photography the product, not only lights. Of course, this topic today is about lights, artificial lights, studio lights, hard lights. But we will be need the background, some table, some product what we photography, maybe props for this photography, and camera, set up the camera, good setup, and last things is the lights, hard lights. I will be used today two lights company Godox. One is SL60W Godox, another is SL150, and this will be my two lamp what I use today. This is the lamp what I use normal every day in my studio. Of course, this is not the best lamp, but this is the lamp what I use, and I can achieve beautiful photo with these lights. Let's go. First, we need the thing I show you the product what I will be photography. Today, we'll be photography this diffuser, the company Clyde candles, and we will be photography with color background something, and show like product nice background. That's it with harsh light. That's another things what we need is as background. And like you know, I love vinyl background, and that's background we will be used today. We'll be use two. One is white, another is pink, because the box what you see is pink, and of course the around the sticker on the this product is red, but I think the pink will be much here good. That's we use the pink background. It doesn't work, we can change always the background. That's now it's time to set up as background. The most easy way for me to set up that vinyl background is set up on the wall. That I have the tape. This is more easy. I will be use this tape, put the background on the wall. That is the best, cheaper set up the background. Of course, you can buy T-stand and use T-stand. You can use a chair. If you have chair, you put the chair, and the same set up your background on the chair. But this is the most cheap, and I show you the most cheap way how you can do the photos with two lamps today with artificial light and harsh light. Because hard light is completely different than soft light, and for this you don't need any modificator lights. You need only lamp. Say on maybe on that something high. That's we put this on each side. I put the tape, should be enough to keep that background. Now, how you know, we need some table, and like probably you know, I love this table. I have this table long time from the IKEA. This is the table, and we can set up as how high we wanted put us the top. That is more easy like this setup. I will be need that now something. I think 1 2 3. That is easy for me to set up this. If you want to know more about this table, visit my YouTube channel. You find there all information about this table, and few video I have, because I really use this table many times. It's my one from my favorite, and this was good to buy and start to use for exactly for my studio for set up the stuff. That is perfect. Now we need something to put on the top here, like some desk or something. I have that desk that I will be set up here. I think it's good. And another things here, we will be have white background because I won't have here white background the bottom. And the white background is the vinyl we use. I put only this so close to the wall, but I don't have any space here. Is connection, everything, no hole, nothing. And with the background, that should be all right. Now we will be set up as a product with this background, simple setup. I show you what I have idea. I bought long time ago that things is the ring, because my product is ring, and I will be want to set up with this my product. I have here my product. I think I want to do something simple product, that's this inside and the background, but now I see this is red, this is pink, and maybe doesn't match very good, but the box the same is little orange, pink, doesn't work here really. Maybe I change the background for something different. This is not good. I changed this background for red background because for first time I think the pink will be work, but doesn't work. That is perfect now. We have white background here, red here is the product. I want to do simple setup first. Maybe I use only one, that's things, and we use camera from bottom. Inside I use this stuff put inside and take the shoot. Later maybe we put together this product and take the photo with the background or something, or maybe first we start to use this and do the shoot. We'll see how everything go, but I think will be good photo shoot. One thing what I must to know, I must clean my product, and when I put this inside, this is the metal must be clean, and the best if I use here the gloves to take shoot and work with this product, because I don't want to have the dirty product there, is not good later. I put somewhere the gloves, I don't remember where. And I have material. That is everything what we do today. Will be simple setup, but with harsh light. The clean your product is very important. You don't want to have dirty product and work with dirty product. The best when you clean everything one times, and have gloves is very important, and it's good because it's shining. That is glass, it don't looks good. This problem always will be problem. Now we can set up this inside here, because as product looks clean. Nice. Later I will be set up this different, of course. Here I put this diffuser, and another things I must to set up this box here, something that. And the diffuser probably that, and this here something maybe little in the back, something like that. I take this stuff. Now we will be set up a camera for this shoot. For this setup and any setup, when I photography in studio or restaurant, I mostly use tripod. This is the best for me. I have a control on the shoot, always the my photo will be sharp, no blur. That is good to use the tripod. And we have here Canon EOS 7D Mark II, and the lens 24-70. What I can zoom this lens and take few shots with the one position the camera. That's I use. And we set up this camera here, and later next things I will be set up the lights. Why I don't set up first the lights? Because I want sure position my camera is good, what I want to achieve, and later I can manage and give the position the lights only good, and that's it, and the setup will be done. Another things here, oh, I don't have card, I must put the card. One moment. Now will be okay. Another things is like when you photograph the product, check the lens is clean. My lens is little dirty, I must to clean the front. And another things, we won't have sharp everything on this photo, that we will be use probably aperture 11, 13 or 16, something like that. ISO you can 100, 200, shutter speed is last time like always to set up this, but the most important is set up good the camera with the aperture, because we need sharp photo. What we have here, aperture I have 7, we put 16, that I think will be okay. And now we set up as camera, little up, we put little up. I have dark the camera here things, I will be work with shutter speed. But now another things what I want to do is set up as lights. We will use 2 lamps for this shoot. I have here SL150 Godox. This is first lamp. I can put this direction. When I start this lamp now, and I move the lamp what I recorded the video. I put this lamp here, start. Like you see, it's so strong, shadows, everything. We don't want that. We want completely different shadows, but nice shadows, not that strong, maybe not that harsh, because this is not what I want to achieve today. It's little different. I show you what I mean. First I set up this light, and how you see is strong shadows. The product is so bright. I switch off the lights what I recorded this video. Product is a little dark, and I don't like how looks that product. And now we use second lamp, and I want to show you what I mean when I use second lamp. I have the Godox SL60W, the second lamp. The second lamp we put, and straight away, like you see, is more bright, everything, but this is not direction what I want to put my lamp. My second lamp will be go to the top. First we put that, second that. Why I do that? Because when I use these 2 lamps, always when you have 2 lamps, another lamps give you shadows. You will have 2 shadows on this photo shoot, but I don't want. I want to have 1 shadows and nice effect. I show you how change this product. You will see what I mean when I switch off the lamp. The what is go to the up, to the roof. You see how dark is, and now it's more bright, more soft. I like this effect really. I love this effect. Now only for me it's important to work with these shadows. Because these shadows is too long. I don't want to have that shadows. I want to have short shadows. That I must work with my lamp. If I put the lamp the closer, you will see how change the shadows. Shadows is short. The same, if we put the lamp down, the shadows is longer. We put up, more up than this. One moment. Another things what we can do, we can move as product the same. We can put here the product what don't touching the background, this background. But I have that and another things. I can move my lamp. The shadows will go here or completely to the back. But believe me, we don't want front lights. This is the worst and what you can have. The product will be don't look nice with that position the lamp. Believe me, don't do that. Always put one side or another side the lamp. What you can have really nice shadows. I put more up my lamp, really up, little down, more. This is what I want to achieve. Always I can move this here if I want shadows, that, and I can put closer. What is shadows short? Did you see how shadows change? It's amazing. When you work with this perfect, it's perfect. That's everything. My lamps stay perfect now. I show you my old setup. This is the lamp one, very high. Here is another, this direction, and this is what I want to achieve here, really achieve. This is my goal. This setup lights really give you beautiful photo. Always you can work with this lamp and put the different position, the same this, and work with different position. That is beautiful. Set up your camera, have beautiful photo. That's it. This is harsh light. You can use this to photography product, food, and make beautiful photo. Like you see, you don't need any modificator light, and this is perfect. 2 lamp setup, because when I work with one lamp, my product is too dark. I didn't understand why it's so dark, and I start to use second lamp, and now it's perfect. Now it's only time to photography this and make beautiful photo.